Okay, you go. Where are you going, Angel?
Here in the pool
Let's see the
with
pool.
mommy.
Where's your mommy?
There, together with her granddaughter.
Oh, masaya siya, oh. Humingi din si MM, oh. Ming!
Mommy!
Ah. Sama ka sa amin! Doon sa beach! Yung mga reaction. Bilis! Oh, bye-bye!
Bobo, nakita ako ni Emily.
Ano dito ka? Wait lang!
Nakakita raw na. Hindi mo babae.
Wala mag-i-interest yan! Hindi mawawala yan, Jill. Imposible yung mawawala. May kukuha ba niyan? Okay, we'll go to the beach. Hindi na kayo nagsawa sa swimming pool. Ilang 30 minutes, sa swimming pool ka na. Ito, dagat.
It's beautiful here. Relaxing.
Me. See the lovely wave and the beautiful mountains.
It's more
I'll show you.
hot in here
Oh, it's all on your
than the
mind.
pool.
Ha? So Justin naman, pagbigyan mo naman. Ayan na, oh. See? I'll show you where to go to Baguio there. Now, oh. Let's focus. Now you can see the mountains. It's still hot.
Kanina may kasama ako doon. Galing Baguio. Para mag-swimming.
Ayun niyo, doon ang daan niyo. See those mountains?
kabilang mountain na.
Oo, di ba? Hindi siya nakikita kasi may clouds. Neo wave pool.
Ang lakas na.
Sabi ko sa'yo, it's more fun in the Philippines eh. Ni ngayon tayo bangka. There's Kuya Justin. The brother and the sister is not joined together.
Wake up!
Okay, join your mommy.